Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can do on the spot gap out mission. So let's get started. Right here in the highlighted area you'll need to do a grind and 180 spin. So try to do all in the one sequence. Here you'll need to do a grind on these rails. So let's try again, like this, and try to do a grind and land it. It's not that easy to do on these rails, but it takes a little bit time, as you can see, like this. Of course, it's not easy to land. So let's try again. So basically, take your time, do a grind, 180 spin, and the best sequence. So as you can see, grind it and try to do all above in one sequence and the best sequence. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys, and see you in the next one. Peace.